Baked chicken and dumplings. Super easy, but is it good? Baked chicken and dumplings seem to be the new thing online, so I decided to give them a try, with my own spin, of course. It's pretty easy. You need a fourth a cup of butter, 2 cups of shredded or chopped chicken. Now I use 2 cans of drained canned chicken in mine, 1½ to 1 cup of diced carrots. I like to grate my carrots so they'll cook quicker. Half a cup of chopped onions, half a cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of milk. It can be canned milk is fine. 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Now I just use the broth from the canned chicken and add additional water to make up the difference. 1 10-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 2 to 3 teaspoons of poultry seasoning, depending on how much you like it. Optional black pepper to taste. You know how much your family likes black pepper or not. And optional 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And of course, I will put the recipe in the description bar. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the onions and the carrots in the 1/4 cup of butter. Stir in a teaspoon of poultry seasoning and the optional black pepper. Stir in the optional turmeric. Now, I warn you, it will make your chicken and dumplings very yellow, but turmeric is just so good for you. Pour this butter mixture into a 13 by 9-inch baking pan. Sprinkle on the frozen peas and then top with the chicken. Stir together the self-rising flour and the milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Now, I like my dumplings to have a little more flavor. Now, this will make a thin dough. Pour the dough over the butter mixture with the chicken. Do not stir them together. Stir together the cream of chicken soup and the chicken broth. Add the additional 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning if that's what you like. Pour over the casserole dish with the chicken and dough mix. Now, do not stir them together and bake 35 to 45 minutes. Now, let this set up for about 15 minutes while everything thickens up. Now, to me, if you have chicken and dumplings, you've got to have some fried okra to go with it, and the other vegetables are just totally optional. Now, it does not matter what I thought of the recipe, would my family eat it? Now, if they were not already spoiled to my homemade chicken and dumplings, it might have stood a chance. Kids are just so honest. Now, if you've tried one of these recipes, let me know in the comments section if your family liked them. Where is that dog? Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss honest reviews and recipes.